Wow! Before you go to boxing, we are drinking tea!
Okay, son. You know that I have always loved your tea.
I know, my friend. This tea is so good.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the most awaited boxing event of the year. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the ultimate showdown. Can Spider-Man? Here comes Spider-Man, the legend of speed and strength. His punches are unmatched. Joker! Spidey! Spidey! Now finish Spider-Man! And here he comes, the wild card of chaos. Hi, the Joker. And the winner by knockout is your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Spider-Man will win. Joker! Smoker! Spidey! Joker! Spidey! Spidey!
Dad!
Joker! Spidey! Joker! Spidey! Joker! Oh no! Get up, Spidey! Come on, Spidey. Get up, Spidey!
Dad! Dad! I'm coming!
And the winner, the King of Chaos, the Joker!
Dad! 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 Help me! Help me!
Dad. Don't cry, baby.
Good. Again, but this time tighter. Good job. Come on, do 2 more. 1, 2.
Spidey. What I showed, do exactly like that.
Okay.
Excellent. Now you're doing it like a pro. Keep going.
Good. Keep your arms steady. Just like that.
Good work. Good work.
And here he is, folks, walking into the arena. Fight! Come, Spider-Man. I will down you also like Dad.
Spidey! 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 Spidey!
Oh, Spider-Man is down. Joker lands it again. Spider-Man lands 8 devastating punches. Joker is down. Unbelievable. Joker's fury explodes. Spider-Man is down. Spider-Man is down. Is he getting back up? Spidey.
You never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body.
This is for my dad.
Second guessing, I just do it, guessing, cause I feel like I can lesson. Resistance and obsession, that's how you keep progressing.
And he's back up. Spider-Man's not done yet. The crowd is going crazy. Spidey! Spidey! Spidey!
And it's over. Joker goes down again.
What a victory! Spider-Man stands tall. The champion of champions, Spidey!